my mommy's house. We are here. It's almost Christmas. And Brianna's here from San Francisco. Ooh, we have a story time while we eat our Chipotle. Ooh, look at the lights. Get cute. Let's eat. Cheers. We're eating our Chipotle and mom is, sorry, the lighting is so bad in this house, guys. I really apologize. But mom is getting started on the buñuelos. Mami, ¿cómo hizo los buñuelos?
Pues nada más llevan royal, sal, aceite y poquita sal. Y se amasan con agüita calientita. Que la masa salga muy suavecita. Después se dejan secar. Y ya que están sequitos se doran en aceite. Es mejor que estén sequitos para que no agarren mucho aceite. Ponemos canela y azúcar o lo puedes poner con una miel que hace uno de piloncillo y canela.
Oh. Okay, so we are finally enjoying our dinner. It is 9:36. I think this is barely our second meal of the day, right? For you two? Mm-hmm. Yeah, second meal of the day. I drove from San Diego to here, to Whittier. And I got here I think at 3 o'clock. Instantly, we decided to help our mom and go to La Amapola, which is a Mexican supermarket, to get the masa for the tamales. Cause this place, they're known for their masa. Like everybody and their mom goes to this place for the masa. And usually we'll go on the 23rd. So we would have gone tomorrow, early in the morning before they open or when they open or whatever. But the line is always so crazy long and it's freezing cold. Last year, I think we also got caught up in the rain or whatever. Anyways, we weren't trying to do that. So Brianna and I just went in the afternoon. The line was insane. We waited 3 hours. I think at the end, it was just the last hour really just got us. We were, I don't even know what the heck we did. We played, we laughed, we talked. I'm pretty sure we annoyed the people around us because we were just trying to keep ourselves entertained. In the end, we got 40 pounds of masa. And then after that, we went to Trader Joe's. But anyways, now we're enjoying Chipotle. And then we're just gonna chill and I have to work a little bit, but ¿qué más nos falta más mañana?
Creo que FLAN, potato
casserole. We're making that, you sure?
Yeah, potato casserole, okay. Salsas.
We're making a lot, guys. So tomorrow we're gonna try.
Other.
Yeah, just bring some other stuff. So Hector, my brother, his girlfriend is going to spend it with us, but then her parents actually ended up coming from Cambodia, and then both of her brothers are here with their wives. So we're inviting them all for a big dinner together. I don't know how we're gonna make it fit because we do not have enough seating. We're gonna figure it out, but it's gonna be good. We're gonna enjoy that for dinner, and then in the evening we're just gonna show you guys our whole Christmas deal, basically. Do you want to give us a tour of the Christmas tree?
Okay, come here. Oh,
this is going on the vlog, right?
Sure. Can this be the 73 questions on Vogue? Thank you.
No.
Okay. So here we have our Christmas tree. As you guys can see, I'm on it the most because I'm the coolest.
Should I turn on this light?
This one's my favorite because I was cute still, kind of petite, you know.
Where's mine? Oh, probably should not show that.
Censor it, please. Yeah. Every year, me and my mom go to Disney, not Disney, the Disney store.
The Disney store, yeah.
And we get the ornaments. These are my favorite for sure. Growing up, these were always my favorite. And then it has Santa.
Cute. Oh, and then our Santa guy's over here.
I braided his beard. Super slate.
Cute. All right, well, thank you, Brianna. Say goodbye and we'll see you tomorrow. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm on my way back home from Target and the line was so crazy. I literally almost got anxiety because of how crazy it was there. I just had to get last minute stuff. Finally on our way home and gonna help mom with the tamales, so see you there. Finally home and I'm finally gonna eat. I'm having a buñuelo and I made some quick oatmeal and some instant coffee. Target took the life out of me a little bit, not gonna lie, but it's gonna help me, and then we're gonna help mom with the tamales. Say hi, mom. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
How cute. Sorry. To prepare for cooking up in this place, you need to use the lint roller, huh, mommy?
Yes.
And if you don't do this, then you're crazy, huh, mommy?
Yeah.
Pensé que es todo mío. Oh, sí,
¿Ya se acabó?
Pues yo cuando llegué yo para tacos ya había poquito. Parece que se hizo bien muchos, yo no sé.
No, no sé, yo no lo siento.
Cinco.
Estamos de alcance. Congelo más ahí después. Digo ya, no.
No me haces bien, no, porque a vos te gusta bailar y estar de joda. Y a mí no me encanta lo que tomas.
¿Allá tienen, no?
Siempre piensas en quién.
En los animalitos que mueren por la noche. Quiero ir a un lugar donde puedes ir a como darle cariños antes que se...
No, de a mí, no vas.
Que primero darle a ella.
Primero hazme cariños y luego vas a buscar los perros.
Yo siempre te hago cariños y luego me dices, ya vete, vete.
Ay, sí.
¿Verdad, Emi?
Miren más, puedes ver ahí.
Nice.
Ajá.
Cuando baila dice ella perrea sola. Se pasa la noche y no sabe la hora.
Muy delgadito. 6 huevos, una barra de cream cheese. ¿Cuál es el canteo?
Vanilla. So, ¿para qué es la agua caliente, ma? ¿What?
¿Qué?
Dije, ¿para qué le ponen la agua?
Porque lo voy a hacer a baño María.
¿A baño María? ¿What? ¿Qué es eso?
Se mete en el horno. Baño María es cuando lo pones en un recipiente con agua y se mete en el horno y se hace vapor.
Ah, ok. Got it.
La bota. Copyright. Oh.
I know.
Ah.
¿El oven está, qué? ¿325?
Sí, precalentado.
Nice. Ok.
Tiene que estar bien smooth.
Wow, that's so fast.
Ya. Por una hora.
Hector and Tiffany just got home, and Daisy too. And what are we doing? Are we gonna do anything?
Yeah.
Yay! Tiff, do you want to be? Is it okay if you're in the vlog? Okay. Tiff's here. Woo! And Daisy, where's Daisy? And Daisy. And Daisy's here. Daisy's here to save me from tears. I'll give it to someone special. Wow, Hector, you're literally dripping whiskey onto the tamales.
Like tamales.
Cheers. So sorry for the lighting, guys, but it is Christmas Eve and I woke up, got ready. I was editing a video. We're trying to clean up and stuff. Hector picked up some Starbucks. Hector and Tiffany picked up Starbucks for all of us. And now we're doing some last minute stuff. And then Tiffany's parents are gonna get here in a few hours. So we're trying to get stuff done. But I'm just gonna be hopping in every now and then and showing you guys our Christmas Eve, sharing with you guys how we like to spend it, and hopefully you feel like you're basically here with us. That's the whole point of this vlog. Craziness, craziness. We've been cooking. In case anybody's wondering, you are being filmed.
You want tequila? I got tequila. You want mezcal? I got mezcal. You want whiskey? I got whiskey. You want red wine? I got red wine. You want
Okay, time to finish getting ready because it is past 1, so it's crunch time. And I decided I want to straighten my hair a little bit, see how it turns out, and hopefully my outfit's cute. We have so much food for tonight, and I'll show you guys. Lots of apps, lots of tamales. It's gonna be good. Oh, and lots of drinks. Hector decided to make a welcome drink, so it's gonna be a tequila pomegranate drink, and then soon we'll be playing the cumbias because that is our Christmas music and our everyday music.
Es que si había, lo hubieran enredado más, ¿verdad?
Pues sí habían, pero no supimos hasta
el
final. We could have put more, pero
wash this and squeeze it already, ¿no? Ok, lo quiero mucho, ¿eh? Aquí está la Emily.
Dígale madre a todos que feliz Navidad.
Igual.
¡Feliz Navidad, Nino!
¡Feliz Navidad, carnal! ¡Te quiero mucho!
Igual nosotros.
Ok, Nino.
Ok, ándale pues.
Ay.
Un saludo a la vieja flaca fea esa.
Ok, Nino. Ok.
Ándale pues, mija, ya nos vamos.
Ok, bye.
Ok, bye.
¿Qué dijo, mija?
Digo que ahí abraza la flaca esa fea.
Como me dice fea es que me quiere mucho.
I know. We have some goat cheese filled dates wrapped in bacon. And then we have some jalapeno poppers, but they're a little messed up. Oh well. Oh, OTV? So you're not OTV, you just showed. Why not OTV? It's so dark. Lighting is so dark. Show your outfit. Show your outfit. Show your outfit. It's like so low.
Daisy, up.
Daisy! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh! Oh no, el coco no, el coco no. No, 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 coco no, coco no. Coco no. Come on, me. Oh, on the camera.
¿No creo que?
Alright, you guys, checking in. Mommy, let me put the one down. Just started playing Home Alone. Another tradition, basically. But Tiffany's family left a little bit ago. We cleaned up. Everything was so good. And we're so full. And we got into our comfy clothes. And now we're gonna set up to play some games. My mom really wants to play loteria. So we're gonna play some loteria. And then hopefully we're not too tired. And we could try to play some treble. But we're gonna have some wine. And then we're gonna open up our gifts. And mom is so tired. She's tired. We're all a little tired, but we're still going. Let me...
Oh, damn. Okay.
Their feet up here.
Se va con el negrito, la maceta, el gorrito, la dama, la botella, la escalera.
Oh no, lotería, no lotería, no lotería, no lotería, no lotería.
Brianna.
She didn't say it though.
Lotería.
No, she didn't say it.
What'd you put?
Wow. Wow.
Can I make here? Oh, that's nice.
Hannah's turn.
Ahí voy, mijo, déjame un tecito.
Okay. Wow.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
What the hell? This is expensive as pen.
Emmy.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh dude.
Your carry-on so you could go on vacation.
Damn.
Qué bonitos, hijo.
Dude, this is so
Una cana de phone.
Do you think it's a phone?
Laptop.
Yes.
This is a laptop?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Because you've been working so hard, mommy, at school and doing all your achievements.
Because you've been a good girl. Oh, open it. Oh, mommy. Do you like the color? Oh. You deserve it, mommy. That's a wrap on Christmas Eve. The morning after Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Next day, tamales are the best, huh, Hector?
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Ah, I think it was a great food. Kind of dry. There's just fruit. Bueno, que Brenito me va a enseñar más.
Thank you. Cheers.